Hello guys, welcome you all for this end-to-end session where you're gonna learn everything in order to become a successful data scientist using this AML program. It is gonna be a year-long program. So guys, please subscribe to our channel. We're gonna see, we're gonna have a lots of videos and lots of engaging content for you guys. So hope you guys are enjoying the session, and we are also enjoying, and we are also learning a day by day, and we will give the same thing to you guys. Okay. So yeah, before coming to the session, please make sure that you guys watched all the previous session videos so that you can have a better understanding of what we are doing. Okay. So yeah, these are the things that we are I'm just asking from you guys. Just watch previous session videos so that you can have a better understanding. So today is a continuation of a previous day where we have started the case studies, okay, of data science in practice. Okay. So we have done with three case studies, I think so. Yeah, right. Finance, and then e-commerce, and then something called as healthcare. Okay. Now, moving on, what are the challenges that we are facing in data science? First is data quality and model interpretability. Data quality ensure data accuracy, completeness, and consistency to prevent biased and unreliable result. Techniques include data cleaning and validation. Guys, this is a major concept. Actually, myself and sir are explaining data is like a, like as sir is explaining, it is like a fuel, new age fuel, right? We need to give the data in a more accurate form so that everything can go smoother. Okay, if there is a problem in data, then when whatever you do, like model creation, building, prediction, anything, it will not gonna work. Okay. So data quality is like, you should have a proper optimal data in order to perform optimal modeling in order to get the optimal results. Okay. So this is what we can do. Then missing values, address the missing values using imputation methods to preserve data integrity and prevent model bias. Okay. Whenever you are having a missing value, don't remove the entire row. Okay. Rather than just try to include some imputation, like filling with a average value, median value, or mean value, or like mode, something. Okay. Try to fill it up instead of like just dropping it off. Okay. Because like we will lose the data. Then model interpretability. Explain how the data science model arrive at their prediction, providing transparency and building trust in their outputs. Guys, one thing, I hope like we're gonna have a the machine learning session in a, after the 4 to 5 session. Then you're gonna see there will be no interpretation. Okay, you guys need to have a perfect understanding of the mathematical concept behind that. Okay, then only you guys can able to understand, okay, this is what happening in the model. Okay, I'm pretty sure the person who is not learning data science, right, they can build a model. Okay, only thing which separates us from them is that we know the black box behind it. Okay, so that's the reason, if you guys know that, then only you can able to get the inference from the model. Okay, so yeah, don't worry about it, we are here, so we will be explaining those things also. Next, ethical consideration. So ensure fairness and then transparency in model development and deployment, avoiding bias and discrepancy or outcomes. Okay. So yeah, guys, these are some of the challenges that we will be facing in practice of different case studies in data sets. So yeah, sir, over to you.
Yes. So, guys, go and watch all the sessions 5 to 10 times. Do reinforce learning, okay? And that will build your long term memory, muscle memory. And then you will be intuitive with the technology, AIML data science, okay? So, if you want to become world's best data scientist, AIML, so stay connected, subscribe to our channels, and also press the bell icon so that you will get notification for each session and absorb the information, digest the information, and apply the information. Okay, absorb A, D, digest A, D, and A. ADA is the technique which we use to from absorption to digestion to applying the information. Okay, ADA. So, challenges in data quality, model interpretability. So, it comes from a word called interpret, interpretability. So, that is an adjective. No, it's a verb actually, because you have to do some, it will do interpretability. Okay, so it will interpret, model will interpret. Okay, data quality and model interpretability will do. So what are the elements? So data quality ensures the accuracy, completeness, consistency to prevent biased and unreliable results. Technique include data cleaning and validation. So this is very important, guys. Okay, data cleaning and validation. So whenever you have problem in your model, you have to go to pre-processing, you have to again data clean, you have to do validation. So that is very important for data quality, guys. Garbage in, garbage out. So data quality is very, very, you eat healthy food, your body is healthy, you will think healthy. So same way, your data should be so clean, non-biased, from the right source, and these are very important. So data quality is very, very critical, guys. Second, missing value. Addresses missing data points using imputation methods. Okay, we impute to preserve data integrity and prevents model bias. So missing values, we try to impute methods, we use different imputation methods to do this particular thing. Okay, missing values is very important again. So then model interpretability is explains how data science model arrive at their prediction. So how it is done, that is what data interpretability do, provides transparency and building trust in their output, because it would be very clearly how it is done so that there is a trust whatever output has come. Okay, ethical consideration and ensure fairness, transparency in the model, developing and deploying, avoiding bias and discriminatory outcomes. So it should not be biased. It should not be funded by some organization. They want this research or this data to be this way, and that is why I'll not consider as a data scientist or AI/ML researcher or AI/ML scientist. You have to consider ethical considerations, and you can say if it is biased, I'll not be doing, because then you will be at risk, because you have to take then new research, new primary research or secondary research, because it should not be. You have to consider all those things. Okay, so these are the challenges, guys, because then you might lose job also, because if you say so quality, missing value, data interpretability, ethical considerations, they are very, very crucial, guys, for in data science. So let's move to the other slide.
Yeah, sure, sir. So moving on. Okay. Oh, okay. So I think what are the solutions for this? First is data pre-processing as sir is still right. Whenever there is a problem, just go back to the first step, data preparation. That is data pre-processing, and then ensemble models. Okay. So data pre-processing, we need to go for a cleanliness, transform, and prepare data for analysis, ensuring its quality and relevance. So whenever there is a problem, go to the data. Okay, clean the data, and do some pre-processing and make them ready and digestible by the model. Then feature engineering, you can create new features from existing data to improve model performance and capture the hidden insights. Guys, if you guys are watching our videos, this is the same thing that we are repeating, I think, more than 5 plus time. Okay, feature engineering. Okay, creating new features based on the already existing features so that which will create a more impact for the target values. Okay, ensemble models combine multiple machine learning models to improve prediction accuracy and robustness. Okay, I hope like it will be like from today to 20 days plus, you guys gonna learn what is ensemble learning. So ensemble is like now consider this ensemble term as combining multiple things. That's it. Okay, if you are combining multiple things, we're gonna get a robust thing. Okay, that's the thing. Next, we need to go for model evaluation, evaluating model performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and select the best performance model. Yeah, actually we have seen everything. Okay, accuracy, what is accuracy, precision, recall, and efforts. Using the model evolution, also we can just set ahead those challenges that we are having. So these are the solution. We need to go for data pre-processing, feature engineering. In the model, we need to go for an ensemble technique, and then we need to evaluate our model and we need to pick the best model. So yeah, these are the solutions for the challenges that we are having. Yes, sir. Over to you.
Yes. So this is the solution for the challenges which we have discussed previously. So data pre-processing, going to ground zero again and starting um, pre-processing and whatever methods are there in pre-processing, which is cleaning, transforming, preparing data for analysis, ensuring its quality and relevance. So what we have to do is we need to have a overview of the data first, because again we will go and have once we face problems, we have to see error messages and the quality issues, performance issues. So we'll go back, do reiteration and understand. So it's not that you do all the steps. Be very smart in terms of understanding the behavior. What is the behavior pattern in the performance? And based on that, you go fast to that particular thing. And if that is not working, then you have to do again from step one. But understand the behavior. What kind of errors and where are you making mistakes? Sit back, meditate on it for a minute or two, and then go and do action. Otherwise, you might spend days on again doing the same thing. So, uh, keep be in present moment, have focus, clarity, go for a break for 5 minutes and come back with fresh mind, have cup of tea, and then start again. So, because then you will have a new perspective. So data pre-processing and then ensemble modeling is, we call it as ensemble modeling, or we call it ensemble learning also. Okay. So what we do is we go and second point is feature engineering, creating new features from existing ones. We have already discussed it multiple times. And improving the model performance and capturing hidden insights. Okay, we can do with feature engineering. And because it will do ontological study, it will go to a deep meta level and understand the hidden patterns through feature engineering, and that will improve our performance. Okay. Then ensemble learning or modeling is combining multiple machine learning models to improve prediction accuracy, and that's it. So using, it's like hybrid method, like use multiple methods, okay, models to improve the accuracy and robustness. That is very important. Like when one thing is not working, we try to use different techniques. Na? Similarly, we will use multiple machine learning models. That's called ensemble modeling. Okay. So I think it's very clear. Then model evaluation is evaluating model performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall. And the these are the very important techniques. Like we have studied these techniques, like accuracy, how we can measure accuracy, how we can improve precision, recall. Okay. And select the best performing model. So this is how we can do model evaluation. So understand these concepts very deeply, guys, because they will come in your life in data science, AI, ML, and deep learning, wherever you go, again and again, because you have to do these things again and again. So understand them properly, have conceptual clarity, and then application will naturally, intuitively happen. But do reinforce learning 5 to 10 times, understand these lessons and lectures and these sessions, so that you will build intuitiveness. Your body knows about the models, not only mind and soul, but your body, atoms of your body should know about this thing. So even in the midst of night, if somebody asks you, okay, What is ensemble learning? You should tell using different machine learning models. That's it. So you need to be very intuitive. Huh? It should come from your body. So that level of learning when you do, so we'll call it human learning. So please do that. Absorb the information, digest the information, and apply the information. We'll call it ADA, human learning. Okay. So new term we have coined today. So keep learning deeply. Thanks. Let's move to the other slide.
Yeah, sure, sir. So moving on, let's see what are the impact. Okay, so what is an impact? We already know, like improved decision making and cost saving. Let's see what are the things that we are having. Data driven insight. That's true, right? Now we can tell everything. These are the data that we are having, and these are the prediction. Okay, you can have a like back kind of thing, like why we are taking this decision, because it is an informed decision by the data. So, provide valuable insight and support data informed decision making across various business functions. So, now we are having an informed decision based on the data, historical data that we are having. Next, cost optimization. Optimize resource allocation, reduce operational expense, and increase efficiency through data driven process improvements. Okay, cost is reduced because like now we are doing everything in an effective manner, and we are doing everything automatical by using this AML. Then enhanced customer experience. So personalize customer interaction and improve customer satisfaction through targeted marketing and product recommendation. So based on the creation of recommendation system, we can target a specific customer that he or she can bought this thing because they the chain which is connected to them, right? The network they are having, that's the same. So we can have a customer experience more engaging, and we can enhance their experience. Okay, then so predictive analysis, we can forecast future trends, anticipate risk, and like make proactive decisions based on predictive models. As sir is mentioning, instead of after some problem occurs, we are just thinking what solution is. We can be proactive. So if it occurs, okay, if it is going to be occurring, what are the solution we need to have? Okay, we can prevent that time also. So that is what a proactive thing that we can have. So these are the impacts that this data science is bringing. So yeah, sir, over to you.
Okay. Yeah. So impact, improved decision making, cost saving, guys. See, I'll tell you, prevention is always better than cure. This is the term which we have been using before we know AI and machine learning and all these techniques. So these things are there. So being proactive, not being reactive. Most of the times we are reactive in life. We have not planned things, okay? We always react, but we need to be proactive. And here, the improved decision making, cost saving. So, impact is so data driven insights, providing valuable insights, support data informed decisions, making cross validation business function. So, this is how it will have data driven insights, data driven decisions. Okay, ultimately, whether it is machine learning model or it is automated or it is human and machine learning or it is AIML or any technology, guys, ultimately we make decisions. How fast we make decision, how accurate, how with accuracy, precision, and I'll say recall, we make decisions that defines the optimization. How good we are, how happy we are with the decision. Like, okay, so cost optimization, optimize resource allocation, reduces operational expense, increases efficiency through data driven process improvement. So this is what it will do. It will improve the revenues. When cost is optimized, your profit margins are improved, right? You are profitable. You can invest that money into different research, different projects, and you will expand your business and your company. Okay, enhancing customer experiences. It will help us personalizing customer interactions, improving customer satisfaction. Okay, because it will give quick resolutions. Like suppose you have created a chatbot which responds to the customers through like last 20, 30 years of data you have, and you automated it and it helps. So you reduce the cost of customer service. Like you need to have you have to spend a lot of money on that, but then you've automated that. So also it will give real time responses, and using generative AI it can even generate new kind of insight and new kind of solution for the customers. So it is up to you. So through target marketing and product recommendation. So that one, you can do customer satisfaction through response and solving their real time issues, and also targeted marketing, specific market target you have to select, and product recommendation. So whatever they need, as we have learned, personalized recommendations, what they probabilistically 90 to 95% they want, or 80% they want. See, rather than having no recommendation system and then having even 10-20% recommendation system is a great system. It will improve your sales, guys. It will improve the model. It will improve the company's optimize performance. Okay, so predictive analytics. So predictive analytics, again, why we use probability? We want to measure uncertainty. That is the simple concept, guys. We all know life is uncertain. Okay, so that is why we use statistical term called predictive analytics, so that we can forecast for the future based on past. So I want to invest into a stock market, so I want to check last 10-20 years of trends and future projects. It's not that I'll only check the past, I'll check future plans and their projects and performance of present. Combining all that, uh, the model will do predictive analytics. I can do it manually also, that this is not big thing. Okay, but the model will do it fast, few minutes. And if you develop that kind of, so it will give you insights fast, anticipates the risk, makes proactive decisions based on predictive modeling. So in stock market, in any company, suppose you have seen a company called Kodak. They were making cameras and those reels for the cameras, na? So when digital cameras came, they were not able to invent that kind of technology. So if they would have constantly working on uh, um, that forecast, there would have been a specific team who would be working in R&D, that they are going to make the best digital camera, or they want to enter into a mobile phone, because now cameras will have phone will have camera, best phone, the cameras, all phones will have cameras. Then the digital camera nobody is going to buy. So that kind of R&D and data scientists, if they would have a data scientist team and AI MLs and other data engineers, they would have been the first company to, rather than being into digital cameras, they will enter into, or the manual, the electronic cameras, they would be in entering into phones, because now trend was changing into phones. Because now you'll see nobody uses digital camera, everybody uses phone, guys. So that company would have predicted using predictive analytics and invented their product and service according to that, guys, and they would have been in the market, they will not go bankrupt. This is the work of data scientist. He needs to be a visionary, he needs to be a data driven, he needs to learn from past data, he needs to be in present, and he needs to look for future and create models according to that. And that, so, and now data scientists are the people who are going to drive organizations, guys, and AI ML and data engineers and AI ML scientists, because they will be crucial. So you need to understand each and every terminology, concept and application of it deeply, guys. Okay, so let's move to the other slide. Thanks.
Yeah, sure. So moving on, we're gonna conclude this. Okay, the best practices that we're gonna have. So what are the practical applications of this data science? So we have discussed lots of things. What are the challenges we are having? What are the solutions that we have given to it? So let us conclude this. Conclusion: unlocking the power of data science. Okay, Data science has revolutionized various industries by providing their insights, driving innovations, and improving decision-making process. Its application continue to expand and unlocking new possibilities and sharpening the future. Yeah, we all know, right? So yeah, that's the thing, guys. So it's gonna be, I'm having a like a fact, like uh, whenever when as long as there will be data, okay, there will be data science. Okay, you need to apply the science onto it in order to like uh, get the information from the data. So yeah, so that's a conclusion I will tell. So yeah, sir, over to you.
Yeah, absolutely right. That is very, very important. That see, guys, and data will be there whether world is there or world is not there. Understand, realize this. If you have seen movie called Matrix, so it was 90s they have started this, and I'm telling you guys right now, it is I this is the highest time that you guys learn this skill, because everything is going to be data, everything is data, and until the time there is life, whether there is life or not, data science will be a very crucial, because they are fundamental concepts for predicting and understanding data, and based on that creating models and becoming AI ML engineer or data scientist or AI engineer or AI scientist or whatever. But this is the strongest foundation, guys. So understand each and every concept from a very deep level. So in conclusion, data science has revolutionized various industries, and it is going to revolutionize, I'll say, all industries and the industries which will come. I'm giving you a futuristic view here. And by providing insights, driving value innovation, we have a tagline at Noble Transformation Hub is value innovation. So we always need to have a sustainable innovation, driving value innovation, improving decision making processes, and its application continues expanding and unlocking new possibilities. Guys, you would be shocked to know I was in Dubai, and uh, I visited the Prime Minister's office and I saw Ministry of Possibilities, and they are working on continuously on new innovative problems and creating solutions, guys. And uh, I can see the future. This picture, there is a picture. So it's like same that there is a building called Prime Minister's house. It is built by 3D printer. Okay. And there's a printer called 3D printer. It will, you give design, it will print all the building. So I was there and I saw Ministry of Possibilities. And that is like, guys, a data driven, using different kind of techniques, but everything comes from data, guys. I'll say that is soul and spirit of any innovation, any technology, any disruption, any business, anything. I'll say 360 degree. And data science is very, very, very crucial, guys. Understand all these, and it is going to continuously unlock new possibilities, shape the future. And I'll say it is the future, and it will be always future. Just go and understand all these concepts, absorb the information, digest the information, and apply the information. ADA, human learning. Do deep human learning so that machines will not take over humans. Okay, go beyond machines. So keep learning, keep innovating, keep creating, and deeply learn, and subscribe to our channels, and also write in the comment section feedback, give us feedback. We love to improve, guys. We are not resistant to improve. We want to take your feedback. We'll always improve, and that is the only way. So become a lifelong learner and continuously learn, and go and watch all the sessions 5 to 10 times. Do reinforce learning. Thank you so much. See you in other session.
Yeah, guys, like make sure that you guys watched everything, and if you guys have any doubts, just ping in the comment. We are here to help you. Yeah, that's it. That's it from our side. So make sure like you have enjoyed this session. We are enjoying every day, and we are also learning every day. So hope you guys are enjoying. We will all meet in the next session. Until then, bye guys. Take care. We will all meet in the next session. Bye guys.